mukakra na yeah sometimes what nsem ni bia na bese sa MPP ni sa NDC fu won sa nkrofo we mienu no tie kakra mi wi ade me woka na meka.
Issue of road tolls. It is important to set the record straight. The previous administration of the new patriotic government suspended the collection of road tolls with the clear objective of modernizing the system, transition from manual collection to a more efficient technology-driven framework. At the time the MPP left office, plans were far advanced towards the reintroduction of modernized road tolling, including the development of an electronic toll collection. Indeed, a concession agreement had already been laid before the last parliament as part of the process to operationalize the new system. The current government strongly criticized the previous administration to suspend the road toll collection and promised Ghanaians that road tolls will be reintroduced under a new framework. However, upon assuming office, the NDC government has truncated this process, effectively halting the process that had been made. As a result, 15 months into the current administration, this
we donkuma wo mra shebi dwafie na almost road toll no abanye mfamra na ache ensem bi wo a wote a na chese at times one way ya ne obeka no enye because minim se wonya akwada utie mi nso na okrumu ha bi na on November 17, 2021 Jeff Fatusumame Graphic Online a report when the Ministry of Roads and Highways a director saying seize the collection of roads and bridge tolls and effective Thursday, November 18 and that's 2021. In fact, ye did pi e wo kromu ha ye ka kire om se ebebo omaika ene emma oman ni sika emma oman ne enkoso saa time no minority ye omugina simpie su kasei omu defend ye e ka se ye nyai de ye keka no omugina oman nanso edidi ye na ne ye ka se sika at least ye nya 70 million Ghana cedis wo ye nya 100 million ebeboa ye oman no omu se sika ne hu hia ye nka ya no ntum ene de omu na epre e kire ye se to no ma ye no oman no ye hwiri sika. Is it the same people? Are these people the same people in 2021, 2022? I don't know. Amanyo senti ye shameless. Nenti wuni muhua enka wosre apuro. I was shocked to hear the minority say, "Ye roto wasem say, ye mfamra ye hrisika." When we were telling you say, "Roto na mo twemu no." That time no you are more quanta ebe mo minor hrisika bia si enya because other countries Burkina for 114 cars in the mu a won ko free. Yes say ye kwan ka ho. You guys never mind. Mo mfi yen ken of react akra de o intended say obe abolition totally. And that will be on your screens too soon. Or see because of traffic in Adintino or try crash and commode mrabekonia abolishing totally. And momo you're interested in road toll. I nemo na mo call this a road toll ne maino e boyeka. Aya munye serious. Munye serious kakrama yen. Yenye nkwada wo kromu ha. Nyemo ka ye teye. Enye nne na mo be kire se mo dogana ye kan ho asem se road toll na mo twam no kakra ye begege wo kra ye betumi dia boman ne bra kakra so ba bi kakra but mo fi ye mo twam and for so many years ye kan na mo fi ye me de beto about 2024 you lost now adwene aba mutim ehunu road toll hu nyansan be ka kire ye se o man ne hwiri sikanti emra Say it in your mind, Yebrenu. 18 year breno. Uria was a interchange in Wasem in your press conference. You promised Ashanti region 5 interchanges. And no crown one cry. You real swami name futru and your name. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? A young swami say who Ashanti regional MPs no mujina no one more year na me real crass who almost say Kumasi interchange as him. I am one.
And now, who you munsa?
Odi yanyankwa homa no so. Yanyankwa homa no so na nsem ni biwa wanhwe ya de obeka no kra enye. Because Ghana no ba bi aduru no. Ase omo fa yese sebe ya jimi. Omo fa yese ya jimi ba ye ni da ho. Wahu. Ye ni da ho. Ye beka no kra no so akere mu. Ye mfa ho na mu political party ni mu affiliation ni mu ho anwan no. Ye wura senso. Akwan kura obeya akwan ho akwantimpon so soafo ye bisa o said project kura mo na Ashanti region. It was a problem
done in the Ashanti region. As I said, watch
the Kumasi airport now it's an international airport.
It's done. 5 projects that the MPP has done in the Ashanti region. As I said, watch
the Kumasi airport now it's an international airport.
Kumasi airport. So that's one. We're saying projects.
Many.
So we have 4 more to go.
Even the revival of Obuasi go face and the employment it has created for young people in the area. It's amazing.
Major projects that the NPP has done in the Ashanti region. Kumasi Airport, yes.
I just mentioned the revival of Ashanti Gold.
But Ashanti Gold was there. Yes, you are creating employment and all of that. A project, monumental project that we can say, okay, yes, you talked about roads. We talked about Kumasi Airport. You know, people will also go and say KJT markets. Mahama did it. He did. So for you, 5 projects. You are a minister in the Ashanti region. 5 projects by the MPP. As
5 projects. 5. No what refanable. 5. Also revival of gold fields. One. Adimu ye de bibia ye mpaibo okrumu a. Ade kura esesebe nyansa ni nimde ba mu no. Ye dane ne mpaibo. Sa nete. But okropon so de number 9 na ma obi a. Odi nyansa to obi achim. Ti bruni yusu ne de kama. Ene ya sodi China ni dwene kwan obefa so a. Ekina ye kase wiase mframa nyina sa ombenya bia home. Ye de ne ye MPP NDC. Nti ye koye nim ni abayachi. Kwan ye befa so be win power. Nti obi opposition a oye campaign, o win power so anu ase ye campaign. Ti udwene wo mo a wonte ase. So odi yenkwa homa no so. If you've gotten them. But unim